Good morning. Please state your name.
Hello, my name is Jesse Howlett.
Great. Mr. Howlett, you are here this morning on a couple of different matters. You have new felony charges.
Yes.
Let's see. Those include.
We don't wait.
Okay.
Oh, sorry. Just one case we waive reading on.
Okay. And then there's also Tucson City Court charges in which there's a criminal trespass that you failed to appear. You have the right to remain silent on all of these matters. Anything you say can and will be used against you. You have the right to be represented by an attorney. I am appointing the Public Defender's Office to represent you, and you do have counsel seated with you for the purposes of today's hearing. Today's hearing, we're going to discuss your conditions of release. To prepare for that, I have been able to review the interim complaint, which describes the circumstances surrounding your arrest. I have also reviewed information provided by pretrial services, which would include their assessments and recommendations. It may also include whether you provided them any information. And I've reviewed the state's recommendation, which is that you be held on a bond of $100,000. And if you are able to post that bond, that you be released to the custody of pretrial services. Would the state like to be heard further?
What was the bond? State's asking for $100,000.
Your Honor, given the demographic of the victims and the nature of the actions that constitute these charges, this individual has demonstrated that he is a risk to the most vulnerable population and therefore poses a substantial risk to the community. We did not note any significant community ties, nor a residence such that he would be trackable on pretrial release. Looks like he has a history of violent behavior and is facing mandatory prison time, $100,000.
Thank you. And defense.
Yes, Your Honor. Mr. Howlett scored a little bit above 4 points, 5 points on the scale. However, he has no prior felony convictions. I believe a bond of no more than $25,000 should be sufficient to secure it if he's able to post it, secure his appearances.
Thank you. For the felony matter, sir, I am going to order a bond of $50,000 cash or secured. If you are released, you'll be released to pretrial services. You'll be required to submit to monitoring or treatment as directed by pretrial services. No alcohol or illegal drugs, no firearms or weapons. If you do happen to possess any firearms, you have to surrender them to local law enforcement. No contact with the alleged victims. Do not go to the incident location. No contact with minors. And your next court date will be April 28th at 1:30 for a preliminary hearing. Let's see. And then on the Tucson City Court matter, I'll just order a bond of $50 cash or secured. If you are able to post bond and be released in that matter, you may not possess or consume any alcohol or illegal drugs. You may not have contact of any kind with the alleged victims of the criminal trespass or return to that incident location. Your next court date for that case, if you remain in custody, will be April 25th for a video review. And if you are released, it will be May 20th at 9 a.m. for a pretrial conference. If you fail to appear for any of your court dates, a warrant can issue for your arrest, sir. Do you understand?
Yes.
All right. And I did note a general delivery address listed on the booking sheet. I will say that if you are released, there is a trailer outside of the jail called the Transition Center that may be able to assist with resources about places you can go. You're excused.
Let's recall that. What's that is? Let's go call them with any questions.
Their phone nearby.
They'll help you out, is it? Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. I wasn't sure.